Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get down, I get straight to the point. If you want to know as a mobile mechanic and ways to making money a lot faster and you're just want to take a break from crank and wrenches, I have a complete great idea. And this is all 50 states. We have done a lot of consultations, over 800 consultations in the last year helping mobile mechanics. If you need a one-on-one consultation, we're at themobilemechanic757.com, themobilemechanic757.com. And if you decide to have a consultation with us, you get 9 of our documents, about 80 pages long, 9 separate documents will make your life easier. So let's digress and get back to the point of the video. Pre-purchase used car inspections. No one in the 757 area in Virginia does pre-purchase used car inspections as a mobile mechanic. We charge over $100 to tell the customer, buy the car or don't buy the car. With the one-on-one consultation, we will get more in depth and teach you how to read body language, which we would teach the customer how to read body language. It goes a long ways, even when you're not doing pre-purchase used car inspections, learn about body language. But what you will get, the document, it's over almost 10 pages. It teaches you step by step of where, from the beginning to the end of the whole pre-purchase used car inspection. Also, when you do the one-on-one consultation, we'll teach you three secret key thing bonuses with the one-on-one consultation for pre-purchase used car inspections of things to look for that you will automatically know within 5 minutes about that vehicle. 3 simple things that the seller can't fake it, and you will get right through it. And the customer will love you for it too. And reviews, and you'll get a good reputation. But anyway, you'll get questions to ask the seller. You will give a separate one for the customer, and basically you will articulate with the customer 30 minutes prior to with this document that they can keep. It also is good for the dealerships. You can tell the customer what dealership fees are garbage and just bogus, and how they can negotiate their price, even at the dealership. So you can still do the pre-purchase used car inspection, but if the car is brand new, you can still teach them what to ask the dealership. What to say to the dealership to get a lot of those bogus fees gone or completely negotiated. The customers really will love you for that. Great reviews, great reputation. Everybody wins. So we sell this particular document, these 2 documents, for pre-purchase used car inspection at themobilemechanic757.com, themobilemechanic757.com. The link will be in the description in the bottom and the description of this video. All you have to do is click on the blue button that says buy mobile mechanic documents, and then you can choose the pre-purchase used car inspection, one for the customer and one for yourself. And we have other ones too that we sell, but for the purpose of this video, we'll go with that. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Also, if you find any value in this video, hit that super thanks button. We take that money and we do iron sharpening iron. We take that same exact money, put it into a separate account, and people who are misfortunate and cannot afford all their repairs, like people on Social Security, fixed incomes, single moms, blah, 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 who really are struggling, but they need their vehicle and they can't afford all the repairs, guess what? That money goes back towards the public. With that being said, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.